risk management. So in a nutshell, whenever we talk about enterprise risk management, it is looking at risk not from a single risk type perspective or not from a single business unit perspective, but looking at it at an integrated level of the entire organization, because it is more of a macro picture. Overall, what is the risk to which the organization is exposed to? Overall, the risk that we are taking, is it worth taking that much of risk, or are we taking lesser than the expected level of risk, or whatever is the extent of risk that the organization is taking, is it creating any kind of value to the shareholder? Is any of this amount of risk can be diversified or not? So the organization can probably look at this risk on a very macro perspective or on a very broader scale to take appropriate decisions. So from that dimension, we will be looking at this term called enterprise risk management. So basically the intention being, you get into the risk management process at the entire company level in an integrated framework. Don't look at probably a business unit 1 risk separately, BU2 risk separately, business unit 3 risk separately. Or don't look at market risk separately, credit risk separately, operations risk separately, liquidity risk separately. Try combining all these things, or try combining all these things and create one single integrated risk measure for the entire organization, and that is what we are calling as the enterprise risk management framework. So it actually gives a kind of big picture of risk and return. So overall, this is the risk that the entire company is being exposed to. So compared to this level of risk, this is the kind of return that can be expected out of the investment. So it can actually balance between the risk and the return on a broader context in a much more effective manner, implementing the risk management practices within the organization.